Hi everyone, in today's video, we will invite Engineer Wang to explain how to replace the copper wire holder in the horizontal cutting section for the continued EPS cutting line. Generally speaking, the copper wire holder located at the lower position of the shaft is used more frequently and wears out faster. Manually move the fork to the top area during operation to give more space and visibility for the operator. While the electrode cylinder in the return position directly take out the copper wire holder from the bottom of the shaft in order. There is no lower limit of the shaft for hanging the copper wire holder, so you can take out the copper wire holder directly in this way. The method of hanging the copper wire holder is the same as the method of the taking out the copper wire holder. This is belong to the routine maintenance and repair operation. It's not recommended to replace the copper wire holder in the production process. We recommend to replace the copper wire holder while the cutting wire is cold start or at the end of the dairy work. And pay attention, while replacing the copper wire holder, the cutting line must in pause state and operate in the manual mode. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mode, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.